Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. Last week, we looked at a couple of the sculptures in Borden Park. This week, we are still in Borden Park, but focused on only one sculpture. This is Gigi. It was sculpted in 2005, or at least unveiled in 2005. It was carved out of a 1.3 metric ton block of concrete. It was a collaboration between Louis Munan and the Alberta Sculptors Association. Now, I'm not sure what it is, as it is listed as abstract art, but I see an elephant or perhaps a woolly mammoth. Drop a comment if you see something different. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe. On your way out of the video, if you don't mind, click or tap on one of the thumbs, preferably the one pointed in the upwards direction. Feel free to share this video with a friend or family member who you think may enjoy it. And remember, you can follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok if you so desire. But until next time, bye-bye.